In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail app password. App passwords are special, one-time passwords that let older apps and devices sign in to your Gmail when they can't handle modern security prompts. Think of them as a safe workaround for legacy mail clients, older printers, or devices that need access but don't support the latest sign-in methods. Before you can create one, your Google account must have two-step verification turned on, because app passwords only work on accounts protected by that extra layer of security. Start by opening your web browser and going to your Google account page. On the left, choose Security. In the section labeled How You Sign In to Google, look for two-step verification. If you haven't enabled it yet, click it and follow the guided setup. Google will walk you through confirming it's really you and turning on the second step, which greatly improves your account's security. Without two-step verification active, the app passwords option will not appear, so make sure this part is complete before moving on. Once two-step verification is active, it's time to generate the app password. From the same security area, open the App Passwords page. You might be asked to sign in again as a safety check. On the App Passwords screen, you'll see a place to label the password you're about to create. Enter a clear, descriptive name for the app or device that needs access, something like Legacy Mail, Client on Laptop, or Office Printer, so you'll recognize it later if you need to manage or remove it. After you've entered the app name, click Create. Google will generate a unique 16-character code and display it in a highlighted box. This is your app password. Copy it carefully and use it in the app or device exactly where you would normally enter your regular Google account password. You typically only need to do this once per app or device. Treat this code like a password. Don't share it, and store it securely if you need to keep a record. If you ever replace the device or no longer need that connection, you can return to the App Passwords page to remove it and keep things tidy. That's all there is to it. With two-step verification enabled and a properly labeled app password, your older tools can connect to Gmail without weakening your account's security. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.